Imagine waking up one day, checking your phone, and finding out that AI has replaced your job. Is this science fiction, or is it our future? AI is changing industries rapidly, automating tasks, improving efficiency, and even replacing humans in some jobs. But does this mean AI will take all our jobs? Or will it create new opportunities? Let's find out.
Actually, Ray Kurzweil's prediction for artificial superintelligence is 2029. He's not far wrong.
Right. But he doesn't think it's a problem, whereas people like you and Bill Gates and Stephen Hawking think it's a problem.
Depends. If some people want to live forever or for a much longer period of time, and they see AI as the only way to, or digital superintelligence as the only thing that can figure out how to get them to live forever, I think Kurzweil is in that category. So he would prefer to have AI, artificial general intelligence.
From ChatGPT answering emails to robots running warehouses, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the job market. Some experts warn that AI will replace millions of jobs, while others believe it will create more than it destroys. In today's video, we'll break down which jobs are at risk, which new careers AI is creating, and how you can future-proof yourself in this AI-driven world. Stay till the end because I'll share 5 future-proof skills that will help you stay ahead of AI. Let's talk about the jobs that AI is already replacing. If your work is repetitive, predictable, and rule-based, AI can probably do it faster and cheaper. Jobs most at risk. Data entry and clerical work. AI can handle spreadsheets, reports, and documentation. Retail cashiers, self-checkout, and Amazon Go stores are replacing human cashiers. Basic customer support. AI chatbots are already handling 80% of customer queries. Manufacturing and warehousing, companies like Tesla and Amazon use AI-driven robots for automation. Even creative jobs like content writing and graphic design are being assisted by AI tools. Does this mean AI will take all jobs? Not exactly. Here's why. AI is powerful, but it still lacks human creativity, emotional intelligence, and hands-on skills. Jobs safe for now. Creative fields AI can assist, but human imagination is still superior. Writing, filmmaking, design. Healthcare and medical professionals AI can diagnose diseases, but doctors provide human care. Skilled trades, electricians, plumbers, mechanics, hands-on work is hard to automate. Management and leadership AI can analyze data, but human decision-making is crucial. Instead of replacing these jobs, AI is becoming a tool that enhances productivity. The key is learning how to work with AI instead of against it. Every time a new technology disrupts industries, it also creates new job opportunities. AI is no different. New AI-driven careers emerging. AI trainers and prompt engineers, people who train AI models and refine responses. AI ethics and policy experts, governments need professionals to regulate AI. AI-assisted creators, filmmakers, musicians, and designers working with AI tools. Automation specialists, people managing AI-driven business processes. The World Economic Forum predicts that AI will disrupt 85 million jobs by 2025, but will also create 97 million new ones. So, the question is, how can you prepare for this future? If you don't want AI to replace you, you need skills that AI cannot easily replicate. Top 5 AI-proof skills. 1. Critical thinking and problem-solving. AI follows patterns, but humans innovate. 2. Creativity and emotional intelligence. Human storytelling, emotions, and imagination are unmatched. 3. Coding and AI understanding. Even basic AI knowledge gives you an edge. 4. Adaptability and lifelong learning. The more flexible you are, the safer your career. 5. Leadership and communication. AI lacks negotiation and persuasion skills. The future is about humans working with AI, not against it. So, will AI take over all jobs? But it will change how we work forever. The real question is, are you ready for it? Speech balloon comment below. Do you think AI will create more jobs than it replaces? Let's discuss. I subscribe for more deep dives into AI, tech myths, and future innovations. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next episode of Tech Veda by Curtin. Rockets, see you in the future.